Okay, so sagutan natin tong problem sa hydrostatic force. Kaya under sa fluid mechanics. So find the force exerted by the water on one side of the vertical angle is shown in figure 3.47. Also, locate the center pressure. Okay, yung problem natin. Okay, so recall lang natin, no? Concept muna tayo ng hydrostatic force. Okay, so let's say we have here, okay, so let's say ito yung water surface natin. Okay, water surface. Okay, so let's say nandiyan yung water circle. Cross section, any cross section naman, no? Pero kasi in this case, circle siya. Pwede naman rectangular, pwede rin triangular. So let's say ito yung center niyan, di ba? Center ng circle, yung distance from ating water surface up to that center. Okay? Ayan yung ating H bar. Okay? Tansya, no? Now, paano ba natin makukuha force exerted? That is yung hydrostatic force natin. So, saan ba equal yan? Equal lang siya sa F is equal to gamma H A. Kaya ano yung gamma dyan, no? Ayan yung unit weight ng ating liquid surface. Kung saan siya nakalubog, no? In this case kasi water lang naman eh. Okay? So, ano bang unit weight ng water, di ba? That is for water. Di ba? Ang gamma ng water natin, that is equal lang naman sa 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube, di ba? Okay. Kasi minsan, may per liquid, let's say oil. So, kung oil naman, that is 0.8 yung specific gravity niya, times natin ito yung 0.8, ayun na yung unit weight ng oil natin. For mercury, 13.6 times lang natin yung 13.6. Now, ano yung area dyan? Yung area nitong cross-section natin, circle, di ba? In this case. So, rectangular, area ng rectangle. Kung triangular, area ng triangle. So, now, solve natin, no? Makuha natin yung force. Simply direct sub lang, no? Unit weight ng water, gamma, times yung H natin. So, base sa picture, makikita naman natin yung H natin, di ba? Given na siya. Ito yun. From the water surface or liquid surface. Pero in this case kasi water, so water surface. Up to the center ng ting object na naka-submerge. Ayun na yun. So, 3 meters. No? So, substitute natin yung 3. Times area, no? Kaya ito, annular describe. Ibig sabihin yan, ay consider lang natin na area dyan is ito, no? Ayan, yan lang. When ma-shade na sa figure, no? Hindi consider yung buong yan. So, meaning, yung malaking circle na yan, minus yung, kumbaga, outer circle minus inner circle yan. So, times natin yan sa pi. Di ba? Area ng circle, right? Kaya ano ba area ng circle? Ng ating circle. Area ng circle yan, ah. It's pi r squared. Okay? Kasi reduce yung given, eh. So, diameter naman, di ba? Pi over 4 d squared. Okay, yan. Ano ba yung ano yan? Outer radius natin, 1 meter. So, 1 squared minus yung 600 mm, pag kinonvert mo into meters, okay, that is 0.600, okay, squared. Ayan, naganda parenthesis na rin ito. And so, upon typing it, okay, so F is equal to, okay, wait lang. Type lang natin sa cube. And so, that is 9.81 and times 3, 8 times pi, and times 1 squared minus 0.600 squared. Ayan, so 59.173 to, 3 decimal na lang. Okay, so 59.173. Anong unit yan? Kilonewton, no? Ito na ating hydrostatic force. Ayun yung force na required sa ating problem. Okay? And force exerted by water. Kaya the hydrostatic force, no? Okay. Now, may isa pang tanong. Locate the center pressure. Paano may center pressure, no? Okay, going back dito sa ating figure. Okay. Ayan. So, dagdagan na natin yan. Kasi ito yung ating center, di ba? Centroid ng ating circle. Now, bababa ka din ang distance E. Yung E natin, ayan, yung eccentricity. Okay, E ay yung eccentricity natin. Eccentricity. Eccentricity natin yan. Now, ito yung ating tinatawag natin na YP, no? Okay, so from the water surface up to that point. Okay, YP. Ayun yung location ng center of pressure. So basically, ito na alam natin yung H plus ilang, no? Baka natin na yung YP is equal to H plus, ito lang siya. Ayan, location ng center of pressure natin from the liquid surface or water surface. Ayan siya, Y sub P. Okay. No, pati mo po ay E, may formula lang tayo dyan. Na yung E natin, ay E is equal to I over A times y bar. Okay. Now, ano yung ano natin dito? Ano yung ay natin dito? Moment of inertia nung ating object. Okay, yung naka-submerge. A area, yung y bar, kapag ka ganitong straight lang, no? Yung ating y bar dyan is equal lang din siya sa h bar. Kasi nga, ano lang siya, vertical lang. Okay, pero kasi may case kasi na naka-incline siya, let's say, ganito. Okay, naka-incline yung ating, ano, object, no? Let's say ganyan. Nandito yung gate natin. Let's say triangular gate, ay yung rectangular gate mo, nakapaganyan siya. Naka-incline siya. So pag ganyan, yung iba pa yan, no? Sa susunod natin yan i-discuss. Focus muna tayo dito sa vertical na, ah, dito sa vertical lang, no, na naka-submerge. Ay, hindi pa siya, wala pa tayong naka-incline. So pag ganyan, y is equal to h bar. Kasi ito, alam natin basically, ano bang moment of inertia ng circle? Okay, so recall lang natin, di ba? So yung I ng for circle is equal to pi over 4 r squared, r to the fourth. Okay, ano yan? R to the fourth, no? Okay, so for rectangle naman, so para at least alam natin, rectangle, it's 1 over 12 ph cubed. Ayan, ito yung mga common. No? So pag sa I naman, moment of inertia ng triangle naman, sa in case kasi may triangle, 1 over 36 lang. Then ph cubed pala. Okay, yun lang siya. Okay. So, no, masabi natin yung E, right? So, E is equal to pi over 4, moment of inertia. Okay, ganun din. No? Kaya ito kasi, as you can see, kailangan, ano ito, basically outer minus inner yan. So, 1 raised to 4 minus 0.6 raised to 4. Ito yung moment of inertia niya, di ba? Okay, all over, divide natin ng area. Okay, parang kanila lang din, right? Pi times 1 squared minus 0.6 squared times yung ating y bar, which is equal lang yun sa h bar natin, no? Na 3. Okay, ayan. Okay, so, tatype natin yan sa calculate, no? Ika natin. Yan siya. Okay, so we have here, so pi over 4 times 1 raised to 4, so minus 0.6 raised to 4, no? Ayan siya. Then over pi, and the quantity 1 squared minus 0.600 squared times 3. Ayan siya. 0.1133. Sige. Sige, 3 decimal na lang din. 0.113 meters. Okay? Yan na siya. So, na, tinatanong is yung location. So, sabihin, yung YP natin, saan equal yung YP? H bar plus C. So, therefore, location natin ay, okay, so YP is equal to H bar plus E, which is equal to 3 plus 0.113 meters, which is equal to, pag pinagag mo yan, so 3.113 meter from the water surface, no? Kasi water yung ating liquid dito. Pwede mo ganyan, no? Pwede nga. Kasi may mga tanong kasi, kaya magandang lagyan ng kung saan yung ano niya, pinaka-location. Okay? Kasi dito sinabi lang naman, locate the, also locate the center pressure. Wala naman sinabi kung with respect to what. Kasi may mga problem na. Pwede kasing kunwari, ito, binigay ito. Di ba? Ito, 1 kasing radius niya. So, alam mo na 1 din to, right? 1 meters. Pwede kasing from the bottom. May mga ganun kasing case, eh. Like, locate the center of pressure from the bottom of the gate. Something like that. Okay. So, kung gano'n, ibig sabihin yan, 4 minus yung nakuha natin ganyan. Diba? Okay, kung bottom of the gate, diba? Kung ito 4, diba alam mo na na 1 to. So, ibig sabihin, kung from the bottom, 1 minus E, yung nakuha natin, ganun siya. No? Kung from the bottom. So, 1 minus E, na yung location from the bottom. Kung from the liquid surface, syempre, H plus E. So, 3 plus yung E na. Ganun siya. Kaya maganda rin specific natin yan from the water circle. So, ganun siya. Okay, pagkuha hydrostatic force and location ng center of pressure. Okay. So, yun lang. Thank you.